Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Base ETH on Trust Wallet. This is primarily achieved by bridging your existing Ethereum from the mainnet to the Base network. We will walk through the steps to ensure a smooth transfer, allowing you to engage with the exciting applications and opportunities available on Base. It's a straightforward process once you know the key steps. Before you begin, make sure your Trust Wallet is updated to its latest version for optimal performance. You will need some Ethereum on the mainnet to initiate the bridge. Remember to factor in network transaction fees, often referred to as gas fees, which can vary but are usually a few dollars for the bridging process. Having enough funds is crucial. Next, open the D-app browser in your Trust Wallet and navigate to a trusted bridging service, such as the official Base bridge or a well-known third-party option. Connect your Trust Wallet to the bridge. Select Ethereum mainnet as your from network and Base as your to network. Enter the amount of ETH you wish to bridge and confirm the transaction details. After confirming the transaction, monitor its progress on the bridging platform. Once completed, return to your Trust Wallet. You should now see your Ethereum on the Base network. The entire bridging process usually takes anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes, depending on network congestion. Congratulations, you now have Base ETH ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.